Why, hello there, and welcome back to my series, my unsponsored HelloFresh reviews. This is episode 2, which is going to be based off of the Beef Bulgolgi Bowl here. So pretty much how these reviews are going to work, I'm going to do it in 3 categories, reviewing based off of cooking, tasting, and nutrition. So overall here with the cooking, this was very much so beginner friendly. Like I said, I'm a bad cook, okay? I'm not good, but this is very beginner friendly. All you really do here is just chop some vegetables, cook rice, and just cook the beef here. So overall, this is very simple. I'm going to go ahead and give this a 10 out of 10 on the cooking wise. Like I said, I did the beef tacos the first episode, and that was a mess. We burnt the tortillas, but this stuff here was super simple, so 10 out of 10. So now we're gonna go ahead and test this bad boy out. As you can see on my side, I don't like cucumbers and carrots though. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like them. So that's the only downside with this meal, but I still have it on the side just to show you guys. And of course also have the sauce because I'm gonna put more sauce on it, which I probably should. Never go wrong with too much sauce in my opinion, just adds to the flavor. So pretty much in mine, I just got the beef bulgogi, the rice, and the sauce here. So we're just gonna go ahead and give this a try, and also Diet Pepsi because I approve of diet sodas, okay? It helped me get rid of drinking a lot of soda every day, so I drink diet sodas. Good. Overall, this taste is pretty good, okay? I say episode 1, I think tastes slightly better. This still tastes pretty good, so I must say, I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10 on taste. It tastes good, but not great. Like I said, very easy to make, so I approve of this. So now, number 3 is I'm just gonna pull up my MacBook here and read nutrition, because of course, especially if you are on a weight loss journey, nutrition matters. In general, nutrition matters, but the calories what matters if you're on a weight loss journey, which here on my channel I am. A lot of people who watch my channel is, so this is important. So per serving, so just one of these servings here, not because it comes, mine came with 2 servings, so just per 1 serving, so half of it is 830 calories, 41 grams of fat, which 17 grams of the fat comes from saturated fat, 90 grams of carbs, 38 grams of sugar, 3 grams of fiber, 29 grams of protein, 130 milligrams of cholesterol, and 410 milligrams of sodium. So nutrition wise, this is not the best. Like I think what I kind of mentioned in episode 1 is with these meals, I don't think they're exactly like good nutrition meals. Like they're not low calorie meals, okay? This is 830 calories, pretty high in fat, which I can kind of expect once again because we use beef in this. Saturated fat is also very high, unfortunately, too. Protein here is extremely low, okay? Like for example, I eat a lot of yogurt. I can get about as much protein in 2 cups of Greek yogurt, which have about 24 grams of protein and 160 calories. Meanwhile, this is 830 calories and has 29 grams of protein. So I'm not a fan of that. The only thing I'm a fan of nutrition wise with this would have to be the sodium. The sodium is a lot lower than other of the meals, especially meal 1. Meal 1 had like over 2,000 milligrams. This one has 410, so this is a lot better. But I will have to say on a nutrition scale, I'm probably gonna have to give this probably around a 4. A 4, I'll probably say like a 5. It's not, this isn't high, like I said, this is a lot of calories. I don't think it's really that filling. So no, I'll be nice. I'm gonna give it a 5. So let's see, 8 plus 10 plus 5, so that's a 23. 23 divided by 3, looking around roughly like around like a 7.8, 7.9 per se. So of course, you know, here in Texas, 70 and above is passing, that's a D. So 7.8 or 7.9 out of 10, that's gonna get a pass there for me. It barely passed, it just makes it, I think just due to how easy it is to make it, and then plus the taste with it, is kind of what helped this one out, in my opinion, to pass here. And I feel like just because of the nutrition alone, I still don't kind of recommend it. I have been trying to find other kind of meals as lower calorie, which I will show, because I do have other boxes right next to me. 2 new boxes just came in, so more reviews here. So thank y'all so much here for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you actually order from HelloFresh and you like some recipes, you try it, has lower calories, please recommend it. Please comment down below. That way I can go ahead there and try it out for future boxes. So thank you so much there and have a good one.